Jimmy on the beat, boy.
For today's video, we are at Lanier Raceplex located up in Hull County. It's actually right across from Road Atlanta, and the track is mainly used for go-kart racing, and they also host some really cool drift events, which is why we're there today. I'm with my friend Chris, and he has this amazing 328i drift build. This dude knows an insane amount when it comes to the E90 generation. He's owned 6 of these cars, but let's go ahead and focus on his 328i. Now, I do want to say I'm sorry for the quality of this video and the camera angles. I've realized it is extremely hard to film at a track. Is extremely loud, and it is hard to hold a camera while it is drifting. But let's get right into his build. So first of all, the car only costed him $800. It has about 250,000 miles on it, and when he got it, it wasn't automatic. He went ahead and manual swapped it. Normally he does run a set of BC Racing coilovers, but I forgot something happened and he had to switch over to eBay coilovers in the rear. He's also running some camber plates with about -70 degrees in the front. He also welded the diff. He has a K&N air filter with the charcoal filter delete. All the N52 dudes know about that. 3-stage intake manifold, gutted cats, and also has a CNC 71 angle kit. And I have to say, this thing ran well. I'm gonna go ahead and show the first clip. This is insane! Guys, this is insane! Oh no. Overheating hot. I can feel the heat, bro.
That's because I have the heater on.
Bro, you're insane. How long you been drifting for? Well, like on the track?
Oh, a little bit after I met you.
Dang. That's like a year and a half?
Yeah, something like that.
Gosh.
Beep beep beep.
Guys, that was crazy. So guys, after that first run, we were having a couple of heating issues, so we actually removed the front bumper and the hood. I think something's wrong with this water pump or something. So yeah, we removed that. And hopefully we should have a little bit of less heating issues going on. Alright guys, about to go for a second run. Said what?
I said it binded really, really hard.
Oh. Still pretty good though. Looks like we're going back. Saved it.
Yeah, it's this.
Damn. Oh shit. Hit the tire in the rear?
Yeah.
First off, I want to give a huge shout out to Chris for allowing me to film his car and also giving me a couple rides in it for a few sessions. It was amazing. And it's just so cool seeing what someone can do with the same exact car you have and a few mods. Definitely follow him on Instagram. It is chris.b_E90. I'll also have the link in the description down below. But yeah, his car is insane. He also owns a 6-speed E90 328i that's actually single turbo. And I actually just saw it on a dyno a couple days ago and it made 500 wheel. And it's also for sale too. So if you live in the Atlanta area and you want a single turbo 335 manual, definitely hit him up. But yeah, it's just so cool seeing what somebody can do with the same car you have. And that's why I really wanted to go up here. Because again, the next time I come up to this track, hopefully I will be the one driving in my car. Of course, it's going to need a couple things done to it. Chris has been really pushing me to manual swapping it. So maybe you guys might see a video on that soon. But it's for sure getting the LSD. And we're going to see what we can do with my car on the track. But yeah, it was just an amazing experience. And if any of you guys are interested in drifting, I suggest you come out to events like this because it's an amazing experience. It really is. But anyway, guys, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And if you really care, hit that beautiful subscribe button. Peace, guys.